Fresh from Watches and Wonders 2025, Nomos is back with something sleek, practical, and just a little mysterious. The Club Sport Neomatik Worldtimer Night Navigation Series. Already one of the thinnest Worldtimers on the market, the Club Sport Neomatik blends everyday wearability with serious travel chops. With a push of the button at 2 o'clock, the watch rotates its 24-city ring, instantly updating local and world time. A sub-dial at 3 o'clock tracks your home time, while running seconds stay at 6. It's slim, smart, and perfectly Nomos. The new Night Navigation trilogy draws inspiration from nighttime flight and city lights seen from above. All three models feature black galvanized dials with a sunburst finish under blue anti-reflective glass, but each plays with lume differently. The trace pops with turquoise superluminova, the grid glows in warm amber and orange tones, and the vector keeps things cockpit-inspired with olive and ecru lume. Each is limited to just 175 pieces. Despite all that functionality, the stainless steel case is only 40 millimeters across and just 9.9 thick, water-resistant to 100 meters, and paired with a rugged steel bracelet. Inside, the in-house DUW3202 automatic keeps things slim at just 4.8 millimeters with a 42-hour power reserve and integrated world time complication. At €3,940, the Nomos Club Sport Neomatik Worldtimer Night Navigation Series is a compelling travel companion. Functional, stylish, and unmistakably Nomos. Which version would you pick? Trace, grid, or vector? Let me know in the comments.